Psalm 27. Fearless light and sacred seeking. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When the wicked, even mine enemies and my foes, came upon me to eat up my flesh, they stumbled and fell. Though an host should encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. Though war should rise against me, in this I will be confident. One thing have I desired of the Lord, that will I seek after, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to behold the beauty of the Lord, and to inquire in his temple. For in the time of trouble he shall hide me in his pavilion. In the secret of his tabernacle shall he hide me. He shall set me upon a rock. And now shall mine head be lifted up above mine enemies round about me. Therefore will I offer in his tabernacle sacrifices of joy. I will sing, yea, I will sing praises unto the Lord. Hear, O Lord, when I cry with my voice. Have mercy also upon me, and answer me. When thou saidst, Seek ye my face, my heart said unto thee, Thy face, Lord, will I seek. Hide not thy face far from me, put not thy servant away in anger. Thou hast been my help. Leave me not, neither forsake me, O God of my salvation. When my father and my mother forsake me, then the Lord will take me up. Teach me thy way, O Lord, and lead me in a plain path, because of mine enemies. Deliver me not over unto the will of mine enemies, for false witnesses are risen up against me, and such as breathe out cruelty. I had fainted unless I had believed to see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and he shall strengthen thine heart. Wait, I say, on the Lord. Devotional meditation. Psalm 27 is a radiant confession of fearless trust, anchored in the Lord's beauty and presence. It begins with bold declarations and transitions into vulnerable longing. This psalm is both battle cry and prayer closet. It empowers in conflict and sustains in silence. Its beating heart is verse 4. One thing have I desired, to behold the beauty of the Lord. This is a psalm for worshipers, warriors, and seekers who long to remain steadfast when surrounded. It ends in a stirring command for hope. Wait on the Lord. Invocation of activation. O light of my soul, whom shall I fear? Draw me into your temple, and let me behold your beauty. Lift my head and teach me to wait without wavering. Strengthen my heart, and let me sing in the shadow of your glory. Amen.